Landing those dream projects on Toptal is easier when your profile shines. First things first, let's get logged into your Toptal account. On the login page, enter your email and password and click the login button once logged in. Locate your profile picture, usually in the top right corner of the page. This will be your gateway to editing your details. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu will appear from here. Select Profile Settings. This section houses all the settings you need to keep your profile up to date. Now, look to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see various options. Find and click on the Resume section. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the resume editing area. You'll see different categories to update, such as your experience, skills, education, and portfolio. Start by clicking on the section you want to revise, for example, experience. Detail your latest role within the experience section. You'll see fields to update. Fill in the job title, company name, the dates you worked there, and a clear, concise description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Be sure to be as descriptive as possible. Next, click on the skills section here. Update your list of relevant skills. Add any new skills that you've acquired and remove outdated ones. This helps match your profile with the right projects. After making all of your updates, take a look and review your changes. Navigate back to your profile and double-check that the changes are reflected. Keeping your Toptal resume current is a simple yet powerful way to increase your chances of getting hired for the perfect freelance project. And that's it. You're done.